How to scan document from printer to computer. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, scan your document on your printer. After that, open Windows Fax and Scan by searching it on search bar. After that, click on New Scan, which you'll find on top left corner of your screen beside New Fax and Toggle Preview. Click on New Scan and it will show you the files you've scanned in here. After that, you can edit it or do anything you want. You'll find Microsoft Fax and you'll find your files below Microsoft Fax. After that, you're good to go. That's how to scan document from printer to computer. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.